What's up, guys? Today we're going to be replacing a crankshaft position sensor on a 2016 Hyundai Elantra. This should work anywhere from 2011 or 12 all the way up to 2017. All right, so let's get started. Open your hood is the first thing and locate your battery. Disconnect the negative battery cable. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, as you can see, using a 10mm bolt, we went ahead and unscrewed this, took it out of the way. Now we don't have any power, so you may want to put something to cover it here so it doesn't bounce back, but we're going to try to leave it right here. Hope for the best, right? All right, now let's locate our crankshaft position sensor. Here we go. All right, guys, the next step is to remove the undercover of the vehicle, and you're going to want to take off these 10mm bolts. There's probably about 6 or 7 of them all the way around. Just be sure to take a good look and take them off. I'm using this Milwaukee ratchet just like this. Let me show you. All right, sorry for the noise, but all right, and do that with the rest of the ones and remove this bottom cover so we can expose it. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, with the bottom cover removed, we're gonna go ahead and get up close here. And your crankshaft position sensor, it's you're gonna want to look for your oil filters, and it'll be next to it, which is this thing right here, this bolt. And this is the sensor itself, and it's attached all the way up to a clip. We're gonna want to undo that clip, take the wire out, and then take this bolt out, which I believe is a 10mm as well. So let's remove that bolt. Let's find out, and let's fast forward. All right, that one right there, that one. All right, guys, it ended up being a 10mm. So we're just taking this 10mm out. All right, just like that. Make sure the engine, oh yeah, just like that. Make sure the engine's cool. That scared me a little bit. All right, it scared me. Hope you had a good laugh. Anyways, I did. So let's see. It should come out. Let's check it out. Hold on. All right, guys, so to take this out, you're gonna want to grab it just like this with your fingers and wiggle it, and it should come right out just like that. All right, now we'll follow it up, get that clip, and replace it. There it is. All right, guys, so once you follow the wire all the way to the clip and you find it, you're gonna want to pull back on this tab right here and push it out, pull it out just like that. And then here comes your crankshaft position sensor. The installation is the same procedure in reverse. So we're gonna grab the new one. Now you can hand me the new one, brother. And then we're gonna put it back on there and tighten it up to specifications. Here we go. All right, here's the new part. We're gonna go ahead and install it on here. Put it on the block real quick. There we go. It clicked on there. And we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Same procedure. Oh, sorry, terrible camera work. Terrible camera work. Same procedure. I can't do this one-handed, so let me go ahead and use both hands real quick, and then we'll get back to you. Here we go. Here we go. Actually, here we go. There we go. Oh, it clicked. I did it. One-handed, baby. All right, cool. So we're gonna route that back up, put it back to where it was, and then let's put the bolt back on there. And that is how you replace your crankshaft position sensor. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hopefully this fixes your problem that you're having, and hope you can find the location. I'm tightening it up by hand, and then I'm just gonna give it a quick torque. All right, well, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps you out. Hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good day.